Nella, the Princess Knight, I Love Queen Mom. Adapted by Tex Huntley, based on a teleplay, A Royal Awesome Beach Day by Lucas Mills, illustrated by Nika Myers. Queen Mom is Nella, the Princess Knight's mother. Queen Mom loves Nella. She loves Princess Norma too. The busy day begins. Queen Mom and the girls eat pancakes. Yum! Nella loves to play games with Queen Mom. After breakfast, they play goblet ball. Queen Mom is really good. Later, Nella dances in a show. Queen Mom proudly cheers for Nella. Clap, clap, clap. It is time for a royal tea party. Queen Mom serves fruit. Nella pours tea. Next, they go on an adventure to the beach. Queen Mom pulls Princess Norma in a red wagon. Oh no, snorkelmanders! They splash. They throw a green ball. The ball will hit Norma. Can someone stop it? Nella becomes a Princess Knight. Queen Mom holds Princess Norma. Nella stops the ball. Nella asks the snorkelmanders to play nicely. The beach adventure is saved. The busy day is over. Queen Mom always has time for a bedtime story. Nella loves Queen Mom. The end.